Orange County Alanya is a modern 5-resort hotel located on the shores of the Mediterranean Sea in Okırcılar district, between the cities of Alanya and Side. It offers the perfect combination of active holidays and relaxation, aimed at families with children and couples. The hotel offers spacious rooms from 32 square meters and private villas up to 200 square meters in a modern style with a hint of Turkish flavor. All apartments are equipped with air conditioning, smart TV, minibar, chargeable, coffee machine, and balcony or terrace. The family suites are ideal for holidays with children, while the honeymoon villa with private pool is designed for romantic couples. Cleanliness, daily maid service, and comfortable beds with orthopedic mattresses are particularly appreciated. The hotel operates an ultra all-inclusive concept, providing 24-hour access to a variety of restaurants and bars. The main restaurant offers international cuisine in buffet format, and there are also snack restaurants, a pizzeria, a cafe, candy shop, and pool and beach bars. A variety of drinks, including alcoholic beverages, are available to guests throughout the day. The hotel's 7 restaurants and 9 bars offer cuisine from around the world. The main restaurant, Lali, buffet with an extensive program of themed dinners. Aqua is a poolside fish restaurant with oysters and fresh seafood. Sakura, Pan-Asian cuisine with rolls and tempura. Olive, Mediterranean specialties, and the best Turkish wines. Guests note the high quality of food, menu variety, and evening show programs with national dances. For families with children, the hotel offers extensive infrastructure, a children's club with animation, an aqua park with water slides, children's pools, mini disco, and a variety of workshops. Themed events such as children's Olympics and cooking classes are held. Active holidaymakers can use the fitness center, practice water sports, or take part in daytime and evening entertainment programs. There is also an on-site spa center with Turkish bath, sauna, and various relaxation treatments. Aqua park with 6 slides, including extreme slides, and a separate area for kids will not be bored. Children's club, Mini Land, with animation, master classes, and mini disco. Spa center with hammam, indoor pool, massages, and thalassotherapy. Sports, 4 tennis courts, beach volleyball, fitness room with modern fitness equipment. Golf, the hotel cooperates with the National Golf Club, where guests receive discounts. The hotel's own sandy and pebble beach is awarded with the blue flag, a symbol of cleanliness and safety. Sunbeds, parasols, and towels are free of charge. Available for guests, water sports, jet skiing, kayaking, supboards. Diving center with instruction for beginners. Romantic dinners by the sea, on request. Orange County Alanya is located 30 kilometers from the center of Alanya and 32 kilometers from Manavgat Waterfall. The Water Planet Water Park and Alara Bazaar Shopping Center are close by, making it a convenient choice for families with children. The hotel regularly receives high ratings on international travel platforms. Guest reviews emphasize the friendly atmosphere, impeccable cleanliness, high-quality service, and fabulous cuisine. Orange County Alanya deservedly occupies high positions in the ratings and is often chosen by tourists looking for an optimal combination of entertainment, family holidays, and premium service. If you dream of vivid impressions, busy days, convenience, and high level of comfort, Orange County Alanya will be your ideal choice on the shores of the Mediterranean Sea. Subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and stay tuned for more interesting reviews of the best hotels in the world.